Hey guys, welcome back to yet another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can join the Roblox prospecting Discord server using your mobile device. Before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But if you want to go ahead and join the Roblox prospecting Discord server here on your mobile device, begin by opening up Discord, and on the left hand side of the app, go ahead and scroll down until you see this little plus icon down at the very bottom of your server settings. Go ahead and click on it and it's going to open up a page that looks like this. You're going to want to go ahead and click on this join a server button at the very bottom. And there's going to be this section that says invite link here. Go ahead and click on it and type in prospecting, just like so, and then hit return and then hit join with invite link. And it's going to go ahead and take you to a page that looks something like this. You just need to make sure that you spell prospecting exactly like I spelled it and it'll take you to this page. But essentially, go ahead and hit accept invite on this. And after that loads, you'll be prompted to customize your experience and then accept the rules of the server. After doing those, you'll be officially in the Roblox prospecting Discord server. It is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.